Former NFL star Aaron Hernandez returned to court on Wednesday. He was indicted in August on murder and weapons charges. Last month, he pleaded not guilty. Well, yesterday, the former New England Patriot answered questions from the judge.
Could you please state your name?
Aaron Hernandez.
And your age?
23.
And how far did you go in school?
3 years of college.
And what has been your employment?
I played football, NFL.
CBS News legal analyst Ricky Kleeman is watching the case for us. Good morning.
Good morning, Nora.
So that was the first time we've heard Aaron Hernandez speak. What did we learn from this, if anything?
I think we learned a lot yesterday. First of all, I think it was very well orchestrated by his attorneys. They dressed him in a way that now, for the first time since his arrest, we have video that makes him look like a respectable young man. Yeah. We learned that he can be soft-spoken, that he can answer questions intelligently, that he looks thoughtful. I think that the defense did a great job of humanizing him, because before we've seen him look like a thug, all tatted up and in a T-shirt.
Well, what is Hernandez facing?
Well, of course, he is facing this murder charge, and this murder charge may be one that is easy to prove and may be one that's hard to prove, depending on if they find the gun and the cooperating witnesses. We also have gun charges here. We have a number of firearms charges, including the possession of high-capacity magazines, weapons, and those stack up against him, because even if he should be acquitted of the murder, he's not necessarily going to be acquitted of the gun charges.
And what about the prosecution asking the judge to take herself off the case?
I found that motion absolutely stunning. We know that defense lawyers go to court a lot, and they ask judges to recuse themselves for a whole variety of reasons. In my day of trying cases and in covering cases, I have never seen a prosecutor make this motion. I think it is not a good idea, despite any bad blood that they have had in the past, because other people, and I think really good sources of information about this judge, Susan Garsh, in Boston, say she is very fair. Now, it also makes the whole office look suspect in the eyes of other judges. I was thinking about it last night, and I thought about the fact that prosecutors are actually fungible. You have a whole office full of prosecutors. Well, if you're going to move to recuse a judge because you have personal animosity or she has it toward you, for heaven's sakes, why not recuse yourself and let some other prosecutor go ask the questions?
And what do you think judges think of prosecutors who try to get them removed from the case?
Well, I don't think it's a very good idea. And, of course, we're going to have a hearing on October 21st. I cannot wait to see the defense response to that motion.
We'll be watching. Thanks, Ricky.
Thank you.
Good to see you.